everybody, it's your old pal Gary Gray Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You and several other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing Syringeon. So as usual, I went through with the Ticonderoga T420 blue, and you can see that arm with the corkscrew there. I got that completely wrong. It was too short. Didn't have the second part, so I had to just draw on top of it. So that's a good lesson there to show you that, just keep going. Don't worry about it. We mess up and we keep going. Filling in the mouth with the good old Sharpie here and the eyeball. Oh, looks like Drawn to You 2 is taking over here. Okay, let's see what's going on here. We're going in here with this sort of pinkish salmon-y color, and he's doing a fantastic job of staying within the lines here, and I really like the way he's attacking this. He's got this kind of technique where he makes a little shape and then fills it in. It's very effective, so I like everything he's doing here. Here's a little quote from Syringeon: "Be the surgeon to someone's broken heart." Isn't that great? He decided to go around my logo there with the colors here, so that's really cool. I like how careful he's being with filling in these areas. He's really gotten good at this, doing so much better. There he is going in with the signature there. He's made it his own with the two on top. It just happened organically. And he started doing these minis on the left side here. And here's his little cat icon. Miso the cat. And he's got a body and a tail now. And, oh, well, that music means we're coming to the end. Here's our final product here. We had a great time doing this one, Internet. Hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.
Yeah.